Hi there, Scaniflyers. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new project in Scanifly. Okay, let's dive right in. In your My Projects page, select New Project. Step 1. Enter the project name. Step 2. Upload your drone survey images. These are the geotagged JPEG images that will be used to create the 3D model. After you upload those images, the software will pull the location data from the back end of each image and plot each image on the map as a yellow dot. Step 3. Select your project type and adjust the bounding box. Once you've selected your project type, notice the bounding box appears to the right on the map. You can adjust the bounding box size by selecting the project types, or by selecting the dots on the bounding box to rotate in size accordingly. Since this bounding box will crop your 3D model during processing, it's important to only include what you need a 3D model of. Include those obstructions that cause shade, like trees and surrounding buildings. For this project, there's no need to include the building to the north, so let's adjust the bounding box to reflect that. Step 4. Upload an image thumbnail. This is the image that will be on the My Projects page for your project. This can be changed later as a screenshot to reflect the design. Once you've completed step 4, it's time to upload to the Scanifly cloud for processing. Once processing has been completed, you will automatically receive an email when the project is ready to view in your account. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help.